In this guide, we will show you how to change the font on all slides at once in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. When you have many slides, changing the font on each one individually can be time consuming. Here's how to do it efficiently. First, go to the top of PowerPoint, click on View, then go to Master Views and select Slide Master. Next, choose the text you want to change the font for by clicking, holding and dragging to highlight it. A panel will appear when you can choose the font. I will select a new font for the heading or title. Then I will go to the second text box, highlight the text and choose the desired font again. Once you have made these changes, go to the top, click on View and then select Normal from the left. As you can see, the font has now been changed on all slides. If you found this helpful, like this video and thanks for watching.